In the crack of dusk, where echoes start, eternal echoes. Our line burn in the fading night, where dreams and break through the meadows of time, where echoes away, eternal echo in the soft decay, in the embrace of our shadows, where fading lay. Our love echoes in the twilight bay, in the twilight bay. Whisper in the twilight, gentle sound, eternal echo where love is void. Shadows dance in the twilight's round, eternal echoes, a timeless bright. Everything, every part in the end, no echoes. Our love is calm, whispers in the twilight, a gentle song, eternal echoes where love is void. Shadows dance in the twilight round, in the twilight round, through the meadows of a tide, in the crack dusk, where echoes start, eternal